Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best WH-CH710N is probably one of the most sought-after headphones in the mid-range market, offering a compelling blend of features and performance that makes them a strong contender for anyone looking for quality audio without breaking the bank. These headphones are designed to deliver an immersive listening experience, whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing at home, and they aim to provide exceptional value for their price point, making them a smart choice for discerning consumers. Number 5. Sony WH-CH710N Noise-Canceling Headphones. Escape into your audio with advanced noise cancellation. It intelligently adapts to your surroundings, ensuring pure sound wherever you go. Enjoy up to 35 hours of uninterrupted playback on a single charge. Need a quick boost? Fast charging gets you back to your music in no time. Connect effortlessly with Bluetooth and NFC one-touch pairing. Enjoy wireless streaming and crystal-clear hands-free calls. Experience every note with precision thanks to the 30mm driver units. Hear the detail you've been missing in your favorite tracks. These headphones are built for extended wear. The ultra-comfortable design and adjustable sliders ensure a perfect fit for any listener. Ideal for travel, these headphones help you tune out distractions. Focus on your journey with immersive sound and superior noise cancellation. What we like. Escape the noise with intelligent noise cancellation that adapts to your surroundings. Enjoy an incredible 35 hours of playback, and a quick charge gets you back to your music in minutes. If you're a frequent traveler or commuter, this is your perfect audio companion for uninterrupted listening. What people say. These over-the-ear headphones are very lightweight and comfortable to wear. Noise cancelling mode did a great job compensating for the exterior noise. The traffic is loud, and I could barely hear it. The sounds are rich, deep, with a great mid-range and treble. Number 4. Sony WH-CH710N Noise Cancelling Headphones. Experience unparalleled sound with the Sony WH-CH710N Noise Cancelling Headphones. Designed for ultimate comfort and superior audio quality, they let you focus on what matters most. Our advanced noise-canceling technology actively silences the world around you. Dual microphones capture ambient sound, ensuring a truly immersive listening experience. Stay connected with ease. These headphones feature a built-in microphone for clear phone calls. You can also access Alexa for hands-free control. Enjoy the freedom of wireless listening with Bluetooth connectivity. No more tangled wires, just pure, uninterrupted audio wherever you go. Designed for extended wear, these over-the-ear headphones provide exceptional comfort. Listen to your favorite music or podcasts for hours on end. Available in a sleek black finish, these headphones are as stylish as they are functional. Elevate your audio experience with a touch of modern design. What we like. Experience next-level quiet with dual microphones that capture ambient sound from all directions. Plus, enjoy the convenience of voice control for hands-free operation. If you demand superior noise isolation and seamless interaction with your digital assistant, these are the headphones for you. What people say. The noise cancelling is really good, it blocks out a lot of ambient sound. The battery life is impressive, I get around 30 hours of playback on a single charge. They are very comfortable to wear for long periods, the ear cups are soft and don't put too much pressure on my ears. Number 3. XANAD hard case for Sony WH-CH720N WH-CH520N WH-CH710N WH-CH510 headphones. This case offers ample space for your headphones and essential accessories like the USB cable. Keep everything organized in one place. Crafted with a soft velvet interior and a durable EVA exterior, it provides excellent protection against shocks, water, dust, and wear. Your device stays safe and sound. Featuring a comfortable, sturdy handle, this lightweight and compact case is perfect for travel. Easily fits into your bag, backpack, or luggage for on-the-go convenience. Specifically tailored to fit your headphones perfectly. Its precise dimensions ensure a snug and secure fit for optimal protection. This package includes the protective hard case only. Please note that headphones and accessories are not included. What we like. Keep your headphones safe and sound with this robust hard case. Its EVA exterior offers excellent shockproof and dustproof protection, while the spacious interior neatly stores your headphones and accessories. If you're looking for a reliable travel solution to protect your investment, this case is a must-have. What people say. The comfort over the 4 to 5 hours a day I have them on was astonishing and unprecedented. The range they have, and the ease of use, puts these far ahead of anything in their class. I was totally impressed with the noise cancelling. I can barely hear my gas-powered string trimmer with the volume at a respective level, 2-3. My lawn tractor with his very loud 3-blade 52 cut, I can still hear the music well over the noise at the same volume level. Number 2. LTGEM case for Sony WH-CH710N WH-CH520 headphones. This case is specifically designed to perfectly fit your Sony noise-cancelling headphones. With outer dimensions of 9L x 8.5 W x 2.5 H, it offers a snug and secure fit. Crafted from hard EVA material, it's semi-waterproof, shockproof, and durable. This ensures your headphones are protected from impacts and splashes. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry. Simply slip it into your backpack or luggage for secure travel protection. The convenient inner mesh pocket is perfect for storing accessories. A smooth, strong 360-degree zipper allows for easy opening and closing. Please note that this is a protective case only. The headphones themselves are not included with this purchase. What we like. Protect your noise-canceling headphones on the go with this semi-waterproof and shockproof hard case. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to slip into any bag. If you prioritize portability and reliable protection for your headphones during travel, this case is an excellent choice. What people say. The quality is great and the soft velvet lining on the inside of the case is a win. Outside is sturdy enough to pack amongst clothes and luggage and be safe. The extra storage pocket in the case was the deal seal to accommodate a wired cable, charging adapter, and airplane adapter perfectly. The headset fits nicely in the case and I love that it has space for me to put cables and wall chargers inside the case too. Having a handle on a case makes carrying it around a lot easier. Number 1. Adhiper replacement Earpads for Sony WH-CH710N 710N 720N. These Earpads are designed to be a perfect fit for your Sony WH-CH700N, WH-CH710N, and WH-CH720N headphones. They also fit other compatible models like the MDR, ZX770BN and ZX780DC. Crafted with premium protein leather, ice silk cloth, or mesh cloth, and memory foam, these Earpads offer a supremely comfortable touch. Enjoy superior sound isolation for an immersive listening experience. These are the best replacement repair parts for your headphones. They are durable and long-lasting, designed to protect your headphones from damage, dust, and moisture. Each package includes one pair of replacement Earpads and a convenient crowbar to help you with a smooth and easy installation process. We are committed to providing you with complete peace of mind. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us for friendly customer service. What we like. Revitalize your listening experience with these comfortable replacement Earpads. Made with soft protein leather and memory foam, they provide superior sound isolation and all-day comfort. If your current ear cushions are worn out or you're seeking an upgrade for enhanced comfort and audio immersion, these are the perfect fit. What people say. The soft protein leather and memory foam provide a comfortable fit, making long listening sessions much more enjoyable. The enhanced comfort and improved sound isolation have made a noticeable difference in my listening experience. These replacement pads fit exactly as expected and installed easily without any issues. Once installed, the headphones immediately felt secure again, just like when they were new. They're just as comfortable as the originals and don't negatively affect sound quality or noise cancellation at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.